What's up guys, it's Seth here back with another unboxing video, and we have our OEM style front door replacements for the Tesla Model 3, and this is fitting 2018 to 2023 models. So if you have anything before 2018 or anything after 2023, this will not fit for your front door replacement. Now let's go ahead and get these open and we can go further in. Now, this is kind of how we send them out. We do send them out in these boxes, but we do also add edge guards all the way around, and we do wrap the entire thing in saran wrap just to hold everything securely together, as well as taping everything on. Once I get both of these open, we can go ahead and talk about how we package them on the inside, as well as the part themselves. Now, as you guys can see here, they are pretty well packaged on the inside too. We have all these foam blocks for all the corners and all the edges. And whenever we are packaging these to send them out to you guys, we do add foam all the way around all of the edges just to make sure nothing can scratch it or leave a dent inside the metal. And also because of these handle holes, they are open, so they do go inside the box and something could fly in there, and we don't want it to bounce off the edges and scratch anything up. Now let me go ahead and get the other one open, and we can go ahead and start talking about the front door replacement. Now, since these are our OEM style front door replacements, these should be pretty much identical to the ones that you already have on your car or are needing to replace on your car. Which means everything that is already on your door, you will have to take off, like the door handle to open your door, as well as all the interior parts and plastics. So if none of it is damaged, you can go ahead and reuse all of it on your new door replacement. And it should be as simple as just taking it off your old door and putting it back on the way you took it off. So here's your speaker hole right here. You will remove your speaker, and that will allow you to remove your glass. And of course, all of this is after you remove the entire plastic piece. Now moving on from that, these are painted, but this is just a primer coat on top. So if you're wanting to get it painted, you can have it shipped directly to your painter and they can paint it, and then you can go pick it up from them or however you like. Now keep in mind that some paints don't work with all primers, and some primer based coats will maybe show through with some paints. So just contact the manufacturer of your paint to see if this is a good primer base coat. Now, other than that, as you guys can see here, you do have your piece for your mirror to attach onto, as well as the glass to slide up and down inside of it. It does have this groove here for the glass. And of course, you will need your OEM seal, your glass seal. And at the bottom of the door, a lot of the times people forget this tiny hole down here is called a weep hole. You have two of them. They should be at both corners, and there should also be a tiny slit inside the door. If it does not have this, it will not be able to flush the water out whenever it gets inside your window. Because the seals on top of here do not completely seal off your window, it does actually let water through, and sometimes whenever you're rolling up and down your window, water will still stay on your window and fall down inside the door. So that's what these holes are for. Now on your original Tesla, these bigger holes may be plugged with a rubber piece that you may want to go ahead and take off and install onto your new door as well. And anytime you guys get water inside your door, you do want to go ahead and remove that plug there to go ahead and flush it out, because there may be dirt, sand, dust, debris inside there as well, and you want to flush all of that out. And that's also why these doors are completely painted all the way through. Each one of these panels is painted before they're attached to each other. So these are actually friction welded together as well as riveted together, and each piece of this is painted before they're all riveted together. Now, other than that, the other side should be the exact same. Let me go ahead and get that out and show you guys. And as you guys can see here, it's the exact same. Now, I can't remember if the Tesla had a badge on the door or not, but if it does come with a badge on the door, these ones do not include the badge, so remember to remove your OEM badge and have it ready to install on your replacement door. But other than that, that's pretty much it for these doors. If you would like to see an install video let us know down in the comments. And other than that, make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified when we post more videos like this one.